For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you comparison of the foundation reinforcement details in between the isolated footing design as well as the combined footing design by using StatPro V8i software. So initially I will design the model which is related to the isolated footing design. Then after that I will try to design the combined footing design. Then I will compare the both results by using StatPro V8i software. So for this comparison, just I am considering G+2 structural model. So I was already done my analysis process and designing process for the respective G+2 structural model by using StatPro V8i software. I will provide you the video link in above card link for the modeling process and analysis process. You can watch that video. Okay. So firstly click on the StatPro V8i software. So this is my building model. It will be consisting of your expected beam size of approximately 0.35 cross 0.23 and column size of 0.35 cross 0.35 and slab thickness which is consisting of 0.125 meter. So again it will be consisting of the load cases which is related to the dead loading condition system as well as the live loading condition system and the load combinations which is involved in this respective structure. Okay. So after designing the building, after seeing the reinforcement details which is related to the beam design reinforcement details as well as the column design reinforcement details, so just we have to design the foundation. Okay. So for that firstly we have to click on the foundation design option on the top. So it will be consisting of available load combinations here like this. So initially I am selecting dead load as well as the live loading condition. Click on include option. So directly click on the run stand foundation. The whatever the fixed supports which is exist for this respected G+2 structural model, okay, will be directly imported to the foundation design. So firstly we will continue with isolated footing design. Then after that I will show you how to design the foundation by using combined footing settings. Okay. So basically combined footing will be provided for the respected building in order to decrease the loading distribution condition for the soil. Okay. So if you provide the combined footing design, the cost of the project will be increases when you compare with the isolated footing, but the strength will be more for the respected building for the combined footing when you compare with isolated footing. Okay. So now we can see these are the fixed supports which is involved in this respected foundation design. So which is consisting of the numbers here like this. So firstly we have to design the foundation for the respected section under considerations of the isolated footing. So for that firstly initially we need to create the load combination. So here I am selecting create load combination. Otherwise you can click on the generate load combination. So it will be consisting of load combinations option here like this. So initially we need to select the code here. Okay. So here I am selecting the Indian standard system which is related to the IS codal provision. Okay. So click on the generate load combination for the service load combination initially. Again in the same process we have to click on the generate load combination for the ultimate load combination. So click on OK. So again in the same process we have to click on the job setup option. Click on the create new job. So firstly we have to give the job name. Okay. So here I am considering the job name is isolated. Okay. Why? Because we are taking the isolated footing only. Okay. So select the isolated footing, type is isolated and design section will be as per the Indian standard system and units will be of SI system. And you have to select the load combinations which are generally generated by using this generator option. Okay. So click on include option, click on create job option so that the isolated footing job information will be shown on the left hand side here. Click on the place mark, click on the place mark. So click on the concrete and rebar value. So these are the concrete and rebar value for the respected foundation under consideration. So if you want to change these respected values, you can directly change. Okay. So here I am selecting standard values here. So click on the cover and soil type. So this is the cover and soil type for the respected foundation. So just I am taking soil bearing capacity will be consisting of approximately 200 value. Click on foundation geometry, footing geometry. So these are the calculated values which is related to the footing geometry. Footing sliding and overturning option. Click on design option. Click on S option. Okay. So that the isolated footing design as per the IS 456 will be designed for the respected foundation of the building of G+2 structural model here like this. Okay. So you can select any one of the foundation as per your consideration. So just I am selecting randomly as 22 section. So it will be consisting of all individual calculations which is involved in this respected foundation as per the foundation design considerations of IS codal provision. Again it will be consisting of starting page, geometry. Click on details and drawing. Okay. So this is the details and drawing for the respected foundation. It will be consisting of 6 mm diameter bar with 70 center to center distance and clear cover will be of 50 mm and it will be consisting of horizontal dimension section as well as the vertical dimension section for the respected foundation as per the for isolated footing design results. Click on the calculation sheet. This is the calculation sheet for the respected foundation. Okay, so again in the same process I will design the respected section of the building under considerations of combined footing now. Okay, so here we are included the load cases which is related to the dead loading condition, live loading condition. Click on run STAAD foundation. Again the fixed supports which is related to the G+2 structural model will be directly imported to the STAAD foundation software again. Okay, so now we can see here my fixed supports are imported for the respected STAAD foundation software here like this. So initially we need to generate the load combination, so which is similar as the foundation design as per the isolation section. So here I am selecting loads and factor. Click on generate loads. Select as per the Indian code. Click on generate load combination. So it will generate the load combination as per the service load combination. Click on load combination generation as per the ultimate load combination. Click on OK. Click on cancel option. Now we have to create the job setup for the respected combined footing. So further just I am selecting job setup option. Click on create new job. So here I am selecting job setup option. So select the job name. Just I am taking it as combined footing, no? COM. So select the job type as per your combined footing consideration. So select the design code as per the Indian standard system. So here we have to select the default units type is SI system, and you have to include these respected load cases under consideration. So just I am selecting 201, 202, 203. Again I am selecting 204. Okay. So after that we have to click on the create job option. So it will create the isolated footing job information on the left hand side section here like this. So firstly we have to close this option. Now we have to create the strips for this respected foundation. So for that firstly I am selecting the first foundation section. Again I am selecting second foundation section. So in between this respected section just I am clicking on create from node to node. Again in the same process just I am selecting second node, third node. Click on create from the node to node. Again in the same process just I am selecting this column, create this respected foundation. Next I am selecting this respected foundation. Again I am selecting this. Click on create option. In the same process I am creating all the foundation section for the strips for the respected section. Okay. So now you can see all the strips are created for this respected foundation. So now we have to click on the combined footing design. Click on design parameters. So this is the concrete rebar value, cover and soil type. So just we have to change this respected value to 200 option. So click on the footing geometry option. Click on design option. Click on S option. So that the foundation design which is related to the combined footing will be designed for the G+2 structural model under considerations of the different parameters like grade of the concrete and loading condition system and soil type. Okay. So it will be consisting of all the combined footing results here like this. Next I am selecting foundation number 10. It will be consisting of all detailed concepts which is related to the calculation part of combined reinforcement details for the foundation. So click on the starting page, geometry, details and drawing. Okay. So now we can see this is the detail for this respected foundation. It will be consisting of your respected number of the bars is 12 mm diameter at the top reinforcement section, and bottom reinforcement section also it will be consisting of around 12 mm diameter, and it will be consisting of 50 mm clear cover for the respected foundation. Okay. So for this length of 5.3 meter section it is required combination of your respected foundation here like this. Okay. So this is the reinforcement details for the respected foundation under considerations of the combined footing. Okay. So now we will compare this respected reinforcement values by using both isolated footing design results as well as the combined footing results. Firstly I will go to the isolated footing design results detail. So here I am saving this model, details and drawing. So for this respected isolated footing design it is required approximately 50 mm cover. In the combined footing designs also it is required 50 mm cover. When you coming to the reinforcement details for the isolated footing design, it is required only 6 mm diameter bar with 70 center to center distance. When you coming to the isolated footing design, so it is required approximately of 12 mm diameter with 185 center to center distance for the horizontal beams. Okay. Again for the vertical beams it is required 12 mm diameter bar with 190 center to center distance. Okay. So this respective reinforcement details will be differ for the respected combined footing as well as the isolated footing. Okay. So from this result we can easily conclude that the isolated footing designs which is related to the G+2 structural model will have low amount of the reinforcement details. Okay. For the respected combined footing design, it is getting higher amount of the reinforcement details and it will be stable under considerations of your respected load cases and load combinations. Okay, so when you going with higher amount of the load condition system for the building structure, so it is recommended to consider the combined footing results for designing of the building structure under consideration, then isolated footing. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.